From an early age, I've had a lot of fun every winter. You know, I've done like family dinners with my family on Christmas, and I've also had like snowball fights with my friends, and just on Christmas in general I've opened presents, and there's always been like this special feeling in the winter. My birthday's also in winter, in January to be specific, so I've always just looked forward to the winter season. But the thing is, when I started going through puberty and kind of getting older, this feeling that the winters were special just like disappeared, and this only continued and got worse every single year. The winter season just wasn't that fun anymore. I just felt like I had grown up. It's kinda hard to explain, however, in simple terms, I just lost the sense of childhood or the spark that made my life fun or special, you know? And this resulted in me not even caring about the things that I liked before at all. Firstly, the family dinners I had every Christmas weren't that special anymore. I just felt like they had no purpose because I was just sitting in a chair and just talking to my family members instead of doing something I was actually passionate about. Secondly, I didn't have snowball fights anymore because my friends and also me myself, we didn't really want to have snowball fights because it just felt weird, or we just felt like we had grown up, or we've just become so old that we shouldn't even have like those snowball fights anymore. And thirdly, I didn't really care about Christmas in general. I just didn't feel like there's anything to look forward to. Like, I just didn't even care about opening Christmas presents, and it was just cold outside and there was just nothing to look forward to. My birthdays also weren't that special anymore because they just reminded me that I'm getting older every single year. Bro, since you're watching this, you can probably relate to what I'm saying right now. And bro, I'm a normal guy, like, I'll be honest, I'm no one special, but still after a couple years I managed to make a lot of progress and completely transform the feel of every winter. I started to actually look forward to the winter again. And bro, now I genuinely think I'm like 10 times happier than I was before, like a few years ago. So how did I exactly do this? Well, firstly you have to understand that there's just some things we naturally leave behind when we're becoming more mature or just becoming older. If we become older, at least from my experience, we're not even supposed to care about things like Christmas presents or just some other things we used to value. I think to make the winter special again, we actually just should start being more grateful for other things and just start like caring about other things that actually give us a purpose. And we should just do more of those things. I know it's easier said than done, but at least that's what I did. Like, I personally started hanging out with friends more every winter. I started inviting them over and going into the sauna with them and just having fun. I also started talking to my family more and simply spending more time with them. And thirdly, maybe even most importantly, I started focusing more on self-improvement and just improving my character overall. But even while saying this, I don't think that you should go on a winter arc because the mentality of locking in for 3 months just seems stupid to me, since the path of self-improvement and character development should be for life, not for one winter. So when you start improving your life, you should just think in the long term, not in 3 months. I've personally been trying to improve my life for 4 years now, by going to the gym and reading books and stuff like that. And I've gotten rid of addictions that also didn't allow my winters to be special or purposeful. It's all definitely easier said than done, but I promise you, bro, if you just start focusing more on the things that you're passionate about and start being more grateful for them, then that will transform your every winter, every spring, every summer, every fall, and basically the entire course of your life. Bro, if you follow the advice I gave you, then in a few months you'll be so much further than before. I hope you at least got something out of this. If you wanna see more of my videos, you can click on this one next. See you in the next one, bro.